Buckshot Roulette. They have multiplayer for this now. I'm very excited. I'm just gonna play single player. We will have a multiplayer video coming out with Dog and a couple other friends because I really wanted to play. Really want to play multiplayer with them. It was Dog's idea for me to get this. I've seen videos on it. I've always wanted to play it. I took the jump today and I got it. So let's do it. It's basically Russian roulette, just with a twist. Oh, we have to click. My bad. Oof. Let's do it. Alright. Okay, it's not really a random order. Okay, well, I mean, it's a blank, so yeah. Whoopsies. What are the odds of... What are the odds? We die right here. Die again. Yep. Okay, well... That was a horrible start. Alright, let's try this again. We're gonna get him this time. I just gotta be smarter. Round 2, baby. Round 2. Let's get it. I'm locked in. No shot. It's a live round again. Okay. Oh, freak. I suck at this, dog. I literally suck at this. What the heck? Why do I suck so bad? Alright, we're popping off this time. We're gonna do it. There we go. Right at him this time. There we go. Yup, there we go. Good deal. You don't like it, do you? He's gonna shoot me now. Oh, freak. Yeah. There we go. We're cooking. There we go. Better. Alright, what we got? Okay. Okay. was that about? Good deal. What does that do? Oh, what? What does that do? Bruh. Freak me, man. Alright, we need something good to happen here. That was a little cheap, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. So that's real. More handcuffs, man. I don't think we mess up here, right? Take your cuffs, buddy. It's blank. Okay, shoot herself. Nothing. There we go. Do we get lucky here? Two off? Let's go. It's one more shot. See, he's got a blank. Freak. Oh. Dang it, man. Jeez. We're getting slaughtered. We are not doing so bueno right now. Yeah. Stay on round two. Alright, heals. I don't really know what that does. Checks around in the chamber, maybe? We get right for it. That was a ballsy call. Ah, freak, you do have a cigarette, don't you? Man, freak. That didn't really do much. Yeah. That's just racks it, correct? I'm assuming that's what the beer does. Oh, yeah. He's got 2 cigarettes? No freaking way, really? Yeah. Let's go for it. Oh no. We got so unlucky, bruh. Okay, well. Sugar's got so much healing, man. Jeez. Alright, well, he's gonna heal, so. Yeah. We're screwed, man. He's just gonna keep getting his health back. Alright, well. Ugh. I'm dead. Oh, what? Okay, well he gets a shot anyway, so. Jeez, man. Alright, let's heal first. So we're running on 2. Now we're tied up. Let's rack it. Yep. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay. Charge again. Yep. Let's do it to me. Good deal. It's gonna be alive. Or is he gonna? Yep, he's gonna rack it. Yeah, now it's alive. Oh, what? That was stupid. I think we got it in the bag. Jesus. Alright, let this be alive. We gonna find out. If it's alive, we're straight. Yep, good deal. G, mother freaking G, brother. See ya. Let's go. Main event, baby. What is that? Well, 4 items. God. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. We got a pretty good chance. How many lives? Okay. Please don't be the right one. Please be a blank. Yes! Sweet. Let's get some damage on this dude. Yep. And he'll take that bullet. Yes, sir. see ya. But you see, he also has a knife, and that's not very good. Alright, what we got? Rack him. Rack him. Magnifying glass. Handcuffs. Okay. Ooh. Hey, caramba. Blank. I think we rack twice. And then shoot him. Okay. Handcuff him. I think we're playing this smart. Shoot him. Oh, there we go. Takes a shot. I think we rack it and then shoot it again. One more rack. Freak, that was alive. So we'll go for it, I guess. Ah, freak, I knew it was gonna be a blank. He's out now, correct? Yeah, okay. Is this a blank? Nope, it's alive. 100%. Okay, so he's just getting all of his health back. No. Freak, man. He's gonna get one more shot in on me, probably. Oh, he's racking it? Yeah, that's alive. Oh, it's a blank? No way, dude. He gets that? Jeez. Oof. No. So 2 right now. This is 3. This will be 4. We're just gonna we just need to as much damage as we can do here. He's got a knife. He has 2 knives, and that's not good. Freak. Okay. Go for it again. Okay, that's 1. Yeah. Freak. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, okay, okay. We're getting him down. We're getting him down. Alright, new round. Here we go. I need knives, bro. Give me knives and magnifying glasses. Yup. Yup. Okay, we can work with this. Okay. 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 So, I think... It's quiet and scaring me. Alright, let's handcuff him. I said we rack it just one time. Okay, Alright, oh, that's magnifying glass it. Okay. I'm so freaking focused, bro. Jesus. Okay. We'll go for it. Yes. Okay, there's 2. Yup. Alright, one more. I think we can do it. We need to... Oh my god. We need to kill him. Let's rack it. It's gonna be a blank. No, Freako's alive. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. Yes! Yes! Let's go. Beat the game. Alright. Alright, and that's gonna be Buckshot Roulette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh. Okay, well seems like we're not done with this game then. If you guys enjoyed this episode or playthrough of Buckshot Roulette, drop a like. It was a lot of fun. We'll be back on multiplayer for sure. This is gonna be a good one, I feel like. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. See ya.